Climate change and globalization.
Did you see that news report about the floods in the southern province?
Yeah, it's getting scary. These extreme weather events seem to be happening more often.
I wonder if it has anything to do with this whole climate change thing they keep talking about.
It could be. I heard it's affecting everything, even businesses like ours.
That's true. What if there's a shortage of materials because of bad weather somewhere else?
It would definitely impact our jobs. We need to be more careful about this.
They say it's caused by greenhouse gases, mostly from burning fossil fuels. You know, like the factories that make all the stuff we import these days. Well, duty calls, but hey, let's keep talking about this later.
Exactly.
What is climate change? Climate change refers to significant and long-lasting changes in the weather patterns over periods ranging from decades to millions of years. It can result from natural factors, such as variations in solar radiation, volcanic eruptions, and internal variability within the climate system, as well as human activities. Human activities that contribute to climate change include burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial processes, agricultural practices. As our planet warms, the impacts are becoming increasingly severe and far-reaching. One of the most visible signs is the rising sea levels. As glaciers and polar ice caps melt at an unprecedented rate, the additional water is causing oceans to swell, leading to the inundation of coastal areas. This not only threatens to submerge entire communities, but also erodes shorelines and contaminates freshwater sources with saltwater. Moreover, the increase in global temperatures fuels more severe and frequent storms. Hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones are becoming stronger, bringing devastating winds, torrential rains, and widespread flooding. These extreme weather events can destroy homes, infrastructure, and livelihoods, leaving communities in disarray. On the other hand, some regions are experiencing the opposite problem: prolonged droughts. As weather patterns shift, rainfall becomes less predictable, and some areas face significant water shortages. This scarcity of water can cripple agriculture, leading to food shortages and escalating prices, which in turn can push vulnerable populations into poverty. The health risks associated with climate change are also mounting. Rising temperatures can exacerbate respiratory and cardiovascular conditions, while changing ecosystems can expand the range of disease-carrying insects, such as mosquitoes, leading to outbreaks of diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Heatwaves are becoming more frequent and intense, posing direct threats to human health, particularly for the elderly, children, and those with pre-existing conditions. Additionally, the economic consequences of climate change can drive poverty and displacement. As agricultural yields decline and extreme weather damages infrastructure, people may find themselves unable to sustain their livelihoods. This can force families to leave their homes in search of better opportunities, often leading to overcrowded cities and refugee crises.
Now let's see what is globalization.
As technology and transportation have advanced, business has become increasingly global. Globalization is defined as the increase in the flow of goods, services, capital, people, and ideas across international boundaries. It's had numerous effects, both positive and negative, on business and society.
Climate change and globalization are complex challenges, but we all have a role to play. Individually, we can make sustainable choices in our daily lives. All industries are committed to finding solutions. Collectively, we can raise our voices and demand a better future for our planet. Learn more about climate change and globalization, and get involved in making a difference.